Hello everyone. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to use Google Whisk AI image generator to create stunning images and potentially make money online. In this video, you'll learn everything from accessing Google Whisk to creating images and finding different ways to monetize your creations. Google Whisk is one of the latest AI tools developed by Google, designed to simplify the process of generating AI images. Unlike other image generators that require detailed prompts, Google Whisk allows users to create images with minimal input. The goal is to help users focus more on creativity and less on technical details. To access Google Whisk, go to labs.google.com. I have provided a link in the description below. Then navigate to the Tools section where Whisk is located. It's important to note that Whisk is not available in all countries yet. So if you don't have access, be patient as Google continues to roll it out. Once you have access, sign in with your Google account to start using the tool. The first step in using Whisk is to upload your subject image. This image can be a picture of yourself, a product, or any other object you want to highlight. For the best results, choose a photo where the subject is clearly visible with minimal background distractions. A clean background, such as a plain wall or a solid color surface, helps the AI focus entirely on the subject, making it easier to generate high-quality images. If you don't have an image or prefer not to upload one, Whisk offers the option to create images using only text descriptions. Simply write a detailed description of your subject, including key features like color, shape, size, or any other defining characteristics. The more specific your description, the more accurate and visually appealing the final image will be. Whether you're uploading a photo or writing about your subject, Whisk uses advanced AI to generate stunning visuals that bring your ideas to life. This flexibility allows anyone, regardless of technical skills, to create eye-catching images for personal projects, social media, or business needs. After uploading the subject or writing a description about it, the next step is to choose the scene, which acts as the background for your image. Google Whisk makes this process seamless by offering a variety of pre-made scenes that cater to different preferences and creative needs. These pre-made scenes include vibrant cityscapes, peaceful nature landscapes, futuristic abstract environments, and more. Users can simply select their preferred background from a convenient drop-down menu without having to write detailed prompts. This feature makes it easier for those who may not have a specific scene in mind or prefer a quick solution. Additionally, Google Whisk provides the option to customize scenes by writing a description in the scene menu. If the pre-made options don't suit your vision, you can describe the scene in your own words, and the tool will generate a background based on your description. This flexibility allows for endless creative possibilities, whether you're aiming for a realistic setting or a completely imaginative world. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of options, Google Whisk ensures a convenient and personalized experience for every user. Once you've selected the scene, the next step is to choose the style that will define the artistic appearance of your final image. The style plays a crucial role in shaping the overall mood and aesthetic of the generated artwork. Google Whisk offers a wide range of artistic styles to suit various creative needs, including cartoon, realistic, fantasy, cyberpunk, watercolor, and many more. Each style brings a unique visual appeal, helping you personalize your image according to your vision. Selecting a style is simple. Just browse through the available options and choose the one that best aligns with your concept. If none of the presented styles fit your needs, you can request more options until you find the perfect match. Additionally, if you have a specific vision in mind, you can describe the style you desire in your own words, and the AI will generate the image based on your description. This feature gives you greater creative control, making it easier to achieve highly customized and visually captivating results. With endless artistic possibilities at your fingertips, Google Whisk empowers you to transform your ideas into stunning visuals effortlessly. Click the Generate button and within seconds, Google Whisk will create your final image. If you're not happy with the result, you can easily edit the image by adjusting different elements or choosing a different style. Practicing with different combinations will help you get better results over time. Now let's talk about how you can make money with Google Whisk. The first method is to create custom digital art and sell it on platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or Instagram. Many businesses and individuals are looking for unique visuals for their projects, and AI-generated art is becoming more popular. You can offer personalized images for clients who need profile pictures, product mock-ups, or social media content. Another way to make money is by creating theme pages on Instagram or TikTok. Niche pages featuring AI-generated art can attract large audiences. Choose a specific niche like motivational quotes, fantasy landscapes, or cartoon characters. Use Whisk to create daily posts and grow your page over time. Once you have a following, you can monetize your page through brand partnerships or shout-out promotions. If you're more interested in YouTube, Whisk images can be used to create eye-catching video thumbnails or engaging animated slideshows. These images can be combined with AI voiceovers to produce captivating storytelling videos that hold the viewer's attention. One powerful tool for this is Kling AI, which transforms static images into dynamic short videos. Kling AI enables you to animate still images by adding motion effects, smooth transitions, and even subtle camera movements, giving your content a more polished and professional look. This tool makes it easy to bring visuals to life, making your videos more engaging and visually appealing. Whether for social media, YouTube, or promotional content, Kling AI helps turn static images into immersive video experiences. To use Kling AI, visit their official website and create an account. After logging in, navigate to the Upload section and submit your Whisk images to the platform. Kling AI's innovative text-to-video feature allows you to generate animations by simply describing the desired actions. You can instruct the AI to make your character walk, smile, wave, or interact with objects in the scene. The platform offers an intuitive interface with step-by-step guidance, making it accessible even for users without advanced animation skills. Kling AI also provides customization options, enabling you to adjust motion speed, facial expressions, and object interactions. With its user-friendly design, anyone can create high-quality animations quickly and effortlessly. Another way to make money with Whisk is by creating children's book illustrations or comic strips. Many self-published authors are looking for affordable illustrations for their books. You can generate high-quality cartoon-style images and offer them on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also create digital greeting cards or posters. Use Whisk to generate custom holiday cards or motivational posters and sell them on online marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble. People are always looking for unique designs for special occasions, and AI-generated art can help you stand out in the market. If you're interested in creating NFTs, Whisk can be a great tool to generate digital artwork. You can create collections of unique images and sell them on NFT platforms like OpenSea. However, the NFT market can be highly competitive, so make sure to research trends and promote your collection on social media. When starting, don't expect to make thousands of dollars overnight. Content creation requires patience and consistency. Set realistic goals and focus on improving your skills. Post regularly on social media, engage with your audience, and learn from other creators in your niche. Most of these tools are easy to use, and everything you need to know is available for free online. The best way to learn is by practicing and experimenting with different tools. Another tip is to stay updated with the latest AI tools and trends. AI technology is evolving rapidly, and new tools are being released every month. By staying informed, you'll always have an advantage over other creators. If you're worried about competition, remember that there is still huge demand for content across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Social media platforms are constantly growing, and they need more creators to produce content. The earlier you start, the better your chances of building a profitable side hustle. To wrap up, Google Whisk is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create high-quality digital art without needing technical skills. Whether you want to create custom art, social media content, or animations, Whisk makes the process simple and accessible. Combine it with other AI tools like Kling AI to take your creations to the next level. That's it. Now, if you want to make serious money online, I've found a side hustle that even a complete beginner can start right away. 99% of people have never even heard of it, so now is a great time to start. Click the link in the description to learn more.